Thank you. Thank you for coming here. I hope this presentation will be beneficial for you after we present some use case and speak a little bit about data. Let's start with small chameleon that helps a big lion, Generali. You know who is Generali in Serbia, but I don't know how many of you knows what is Kameleon. Kameleon is Salesforce partner for 5 years. Last year we become also MuleSoft partner for integration. And this is Kameleon Solutions in numbers, founded 5 years ago. Customer satisfaction score on Salesforce website is 4.9 of 5. We have more than, now we have for more than 90 certificates, Salesforce certificates in our portfolio, and we finished more than 45 projects of Salesforce implementation in the last 5 years. Now we have 3 branch offices or headquarters in Belgrade, but we have operations in Lagos, in Nigeria, and in Amman, Jordan, and from next month we will open in office in Zagreb in Croatia. And let's start with challenges in digital transformation in small and medium enterprises or large companies. So if you see on the screen, you see what are the main challenges in, let's say, two different type of companies. But every company has a problem with or challenges with data management, and that's will be my topic today. And after that, Jelena will present you challenges that they have during the implementation of the CRM solution in Generali. This is one example of that company works online and have two brand web shops, corporate website and loyalty program. In this case, if I'm a consumer, I bought once on first web shop with one of my accounts. Second purchase was anonymous, but I need to fill out some data in order to get delivery on my address. Also on the second web shop, I put also different data than the others. I put my data in corporate website when I sign up for newsletter or something like that. And I have a loyalty card with also different data. And every company who has different source of truth about the customer has challenges to identify what is the unique customer. And if you do manual consolidation in BI tools, you will get some kind of data, but you don't have everything in place because you have different consents for every my purchase, for example, because I put my first email with consent that you can send me some promo materials on that mail, but I didn't approve that you can send me via SMS or Viber or WhatsApp. So that is very challenging, and also the purchases that I made are different, and that those purchases can be combined. For example, if I'm buying through website and I can use loyalty, is it loyalty purchase or website purchase? No, it's combined, but you need to see that purchase in different way and how to monitor that purchase and how to segment, to create a proper segment for marketing campaigns, for example. And what we learned about, what we can learn about this situation, do we know who is our customer? Not really. But after, if you want to implement Salesforce in a proper way, or CRM or any other CRM solution, you need to pass through the duplication process in your customer, and we developed the strategy, define methodology, develop the logic, and test the logic. So you can see my customer profile, for example. You see all my emails, you see which company I presented, my all phone numbers that I put into the system on different silos, different type of addresses, loyalty, and consolidated consent, because we can consolidate all consents you gave to us into one big consent. And our goal was that we need to have less than 0.1 duplicates at the end. And what was the results? In retail industry, we fill out that goal. So on more than 4 million contacts, we have less than 0.1 duplicates. In insurance company, for example, in Generali, we have less than 0.01 duplicates because it's regulated and they use ID, personal ID, or JMBG or OIB. Different countries have different personal ID. So that's the thing, and different industries will also have different goals for that deduplication process. Those are benefits when you implement CRM. I don't want to read it, and I leave Jelena to speak a little bit about the challenges in Generali.
Thank you. As Igor said, my name is Jelena. I'm data scientist in Generali Serbia, but I'm here to present our Salesforce implementation, as I was project manager on that project. We in Generali have a strategy that says not only to put customer in center of everything that we do, but we want to become their lifetime partner. Easier said than done. We have the idea how we want to achieve it, but let's say that we think that digital transformation is the engine that accelerates us in our ambition of becoming our lifetime partner to our customers. The right way to do it, as we see it, is by being agile organization, putting focus on customer relationship management, while leveraging on innovation, smart automation, data, and artificial intelligence. Having in mind our strategy, customers, digital transformation, we wanted to change our perspective a bit. We understand that our agents are the people who communicate with our customers the most and who know what their problems are, what their needs are, why they're doing something, why they're not doing something. And we decided that we want to see how we can support our agents on their path of digital transformation. We had the idea to see all the challenges that our agents are facing on their daily basis. So, of course, is their life without challenges? No. The result of our analysis was a list of challenges that they're facing day to day. Some of which were, they had a lot of repetitive activities, manual activities. They had the inability to find some information because they were scattered all around the system, and they had some missed opportunities due to lack of organization, or let's say different ways of organizations throughout different teams. But we didn't get only the list of challenges, we also got clear vision of what we as a business need. We needed new tool for our agents. We needed tool that would improve their efficiency and profitability and productivity, something that would help them maximize the potential of our leads, but also of our existing customer portfolio, and of course something that will eventually increase customer but also employee satisfaction and increase business revenue and profitability. We wanted that tool to be something like their digital assistant, something that they can carry with themselves wherever they go, so they had to be available on their smart devices, but it also had to have all the information they need and also had to be integrated with the applications that they use on their daily basis. When we connected all the dots, the solution was clear: we needed CRM software. We decided to go all in. We opted for Salesforce as they're the best on the market. Our adventure started in 2020. That is when we initiated our project and had to big decisions. First was vendor selection. As I said, we decided to go with Salesforce, but the other decision that we had to make was selection of our system integrator. That is a very important decision because you're not choosing just system integrator, you're choosing partner on a strategically important path. So your system integrator should be someone who understands your needs, your values, and also vision. And I'm happy to say that we chose Kameleon because they really immeasurably contributed to our success story. We started at the time to apply for regulatory approvals. Why am I emphasizing that? Having in mind that we're a financial institution and also first financial institution in Serbia to implement Salesforce, we had quite a few regulatory obstacles along the way. I will just say that we waited for approval from our data commissioner for 6 whole months. But we decided to choose that time wisely and wanted to prepare for our implementation. We did a lot of workshops with our sales agents, with our back office employees. We mapped out processes that should be implemented, mapped out applications that needed to be integrated, and also put focus on data modeling. Luckily that we were ready when we got all the approvals necessary, because then we had yet another challenge on our way. Generali made a strategic decision in bringing back part of contact center that was outsourced. That meant we needed to recruit a whole new team, we needed to make procedures and processes out of scratch, and also we needed to provide those people with new tools. We decided that our operators, the same as our agents, are people who communicate with our customers the most, and that they should have new, modern, intuitive tool. So we decided to expand our project scope at that moment. Not only will we implement Sales Cloud for our agents, but we will also implement Service Cloud for our contact center. We led this project in 2 streams. One was agent transformation, the other one was contact center transformation, and that one was in 2 phases. First phase was for the new part of contact center and new people, but we had second phase that was actually migration of our existing contact center and processes to Service Cloud. I'm really proud to say that we achieved in all that in last year, that we had medical center up and running, that first sales agent started using Salesforce, and also that we successfully migrated our contact center to Service Cloud. And I believe we did that, of course, by having an extraordinary team. It's always about the people, but also by being prepared, by having the right vision, knowing what we wanted to achieve, and also not being afraid of change. We were very agile throughout the whole process implementation. 38 of us did a lot throughout these more than 850 days of project, and thanks to the immense help of one and only Kameleon, we already see many benefits that Salesforce brought to us, or maybe better said, that Salesforce helped us achieve. I will just name a few. Our agents and operators have all information in one place now, and they're able to have personalized approach to the customer. Our customers can get the same information whether they call their own agent, whether they go into our branch office, or they call contact center. We're already noting increase in lead conversion, cross-sell index, and data collection. What is also important is that Salesforce helps us quickly identify pain points and where we need to put our focus on. And we also have already a clear vision of our next step, and that is we will implement yet another Salesforce module, and that is Marketing Cloud. And I will leave it up to Igor to let you know how that looks like.
Thank you. This is the part of marketing personalization, so if you want, you can scan this QR code or enter Kameleon Solutions that cross / Adria Summit 93. You will get some web form on the right screen that you can see. If you fill out the form, you will receive an email from Maja Karanovic from email maya@kameleonsolutions.com, and this is the how we can collect directly information in Salesforce and which automation is beyond that automation. For example, if you put your data based on some data, system will send you different type of email, and based on other your behavior after that, because you will receive an email. If you click directly in email, system will know what you decide and what is your decision in that email. So based on that, system will update your personal information into the system. So you don't need to fill out form once again on website. So you just need to answer on that email and click save, and system will know that that it's you and update your profile. So you don't need to use every time web form to update your profile. System will update through email. And thank you. And what we are Kameleon and Generali, and yes, we love animals.
Obviously.
Maybe some questions? Here.
I think we have a couple of minutes, right? So
Yes, you're sure.
when you made the decision for Salesforce, was there any impact in kind of group level? Is group using some solutions? Were you able, as Serbia, to make your own decision, etc.?
Yes, yes. Actually, we had a dilemma internally and locally, but then we talked to a group who was in process of making global framework agreements. So yes, the group chose Salesforce as group solution. So let's say we had some benefits thanks to that.